guys, it's Amanda and Barrett, and today we are here at the Flower and Garden Festival. So we're really excited to try a lot of good food and a lot of good drinks and check out the topiaries. We'll be showing you guys what we eat and giving you a review.
Cheers.
Here's a really pretty area called Outdoor Escapes. It's right beside Test Track. We have some really cool plants, nice places to sit. A lot of them are shaded. We also have some beautiful veggies growing back here. Some fruit. There's a tomato plant. And Spike the Bee. Here's the menu for Sunshine Griddle, which is right by Test Track. Here's everything that they have. I think we're gonna do the avocado toast, which looks very Instagram worthy. And I think we need to try those fried cinnamon roll bites too. Okay, so here's what we got from Sunshine Griddle. Here's the avocado toast, which looks so pretty. And Barrett also got that. And then we got the fried cinnamon to split. That looks really good too.
And water.
And water, of course. Gotta stay hydrated.
Yeah.
All right, so we just finished our first meal of the day, which was the avocado toast and the fried cinnamon roll bites. I really liked the avocado toast. I thought the toast was really crisp. The veggies on top were fresh. I liked the fried cinnamon roll bites better though. They had like a nice crunch to them, and inside they had almost like a cinnamon flavored cream that I thought was really, really good.
I like the avocado toast better. Good if you're here early for a breakfast snack. Definitely tasted very fresh and refreshing, and probably one of the healthier options
Yeah,
here.
definitely one of the healthier.
And I like that over the cinnamon toast crunch pastries, as I think I'll call them now, because if you like cinnamon toast crunch, they're right up your alley. But both were pretty good.
They were really good. I'm typically more into sweets than you are, so that's probably why I like that better. But I thought it was great. I would definitely order the fried cinnamon roll bites again.
I'd get the avocado toast again. I could have 2 of those.
Here's the Pluto and Chip and Dale topiary, which is super cute. Look, he's got a tape measure in his mouth. I really like this one. Here's another topiary. Here's Donald and Daisy, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. There's also Spike the Bee over there. Here's the menu for Flavorful Kitchen. I think we're gonna try the strawberry mousse with crispy chocolate pearls. Next food item is the strawberry mousse with chocolate pearls, and that's from Flavorful. So let you guys know how this one is. It's got gummy worms on it. I'm not a fan of gummy worms, so those are gonna go to Barrett, but everything else looks really good. I do want to show you guys too what the inside looks like. And that's where the chocolate pearls are that you can see in there. Looks really good. All right, so we just finished the strawberry mousse. I really liked it. It's very light and it's not gonna make you feel weighed down after you eat it. And the chocolate pearls inside were really good. They added an extra crunch. So I thought that one was great.
I thought it was good. I really liked the gummy worms. They were some high quality worms.
It's not overly sweet too, so like I think that's one of the reasons why you probably liked it, because it's not super sugary.
Goes good with coffee too.
And it's only like $4.75, so you can't go wrong getting that.
Can't go wrong. Good gummy worms.
Here's the menu for the Cider House booth. We stopped by last night for just like an hour or two, and I got the cider flight for $9.50, and it includes the pink lemonade hard cider, the watermelon hard cider, and the triple jam hard cider. It was amazing. All 3 ciders were absolutely delicious, so I highly recommend, if you like cider, get it. and don't get it to share because you're gonna want to drink the whole thing. Inside of the festival showplace at Festival Favorites booth. And here's their menu, and we are going to try the beef brisket, burnt ends, and smoked pork belly slider. And here is the slider. We are going to give this a try. Very excited to try this one. It's got the pickle on top with the sauce. Looks really good. Here's the Miss Piggy topiary. And of course, she's right next to Kermit the Frog. They're so cute. There's the other Kermit the Frog. Here are Tigger and Eeyore and Piglet. This is in the UK pavilion. I am loving all the topiaries. They are so cute. In the UK pavilion, we have the topiaries for Winnie the Pooh. And there's rabbits. All right, we've made it over to a booth that is the fan favorite of every festival over in France. Macaron looks really good, and I definitely want to try that at some point, but I think today I'm going to go with the beignet. There is the beignet we're getting ready to try. These smelled so good when they were caramelizing them. You could smell it through the mask. I can't wait to try this one. All right, we just finished the beignet in France. It was really, really, really good, but it was pretty heavy. It was obviously a lot heavier than the strawberry mousse, so kind of feels like you're weighed down, but I really like the caramelized top. It was kind of like a creme brulee top. It was really crisp, and then it had a really nice filling inside of it.
It was good. It's worth a try. I definitely recommend maybe having it with a coffee or a coffee liquor drink.
Yeah, or sharing it with somebody, because it would have been way too much to eat on our own. But I mean, if you come by yourself, still get it. But
it's like a really good donut.
Yeah, a really good donut. Yeah, yeah, liked it. Here's the Beauty and the Beast topiary in the France pavilion. This one's always very popular. All right, we stopped in the American pavilion, and Barrett went to go check something out, so I went and grabbed this Bayou cocktail from Magnolia Terrace in the American Adventure. And this is Bayou spiced rum, coconut rum, fruit punch, and Minute Maid orange juice. So this looks really good. Forgot to mention this one's $11. I just tried it. It's really, 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 really good. It tastes very tropical. It tastes like you're on a beach somewhere. I really like it. If you like rum drinks, you'll definitely like this. This is really cute. Miniature gardens. Very cute little area. This is over going into Germany. Orange Bird merchandise they have. Here are the ears. Orange Bird Spirit jersey. Let's take a look at the back. It says Hello Sunshine. That's really cute. Barrett is over there buying one of these cute Orange Bird keychains, which I fell in love with. Had to get one of those. Then they also have some Orange Bird rain jackets that are really cute. Here's some Orange Bird. I think those are the little guys that hang on your shoulder. Yeah, the shoulder plushes. I think we're gonna have to get one of these too. These Hello Sunshine Orange Bird glass milk cartons. Super cute panda topiaries in the China pavilion. Here are Anna and Elsa over by the Norway pavilion. Here's the Three Caballeros topiaries. Here's some Lion King topiaries over by Journey to Imagination. Can't leave today without getting a shot of Barrett's favorite topiary, Figment. Just kidding, he absolutely hates Figment. We're gonna go in the butterfly garden. This is opening weekend. We're here Sunday of opening weekend, and the line goes way back that way. So I think we're gonna try to hit that next time we come. Ooh. Here's Woody and Bo Peep topiaries. Great attention to detail. Woody even has his pull string on the back. Along the construction walls,
Yeah, they got a couple different ones.
they have all kinds of butterflies you can stand in front of, just like they did for Festival of the Arts. And those go all the way around. I saw some figment ones over on the other side too that looked really cool. This looks so weird without interventions here. I can't wait to see Epcot when it's all complete. Alright, that wraps up our first trip to Flower and Garden. There was a couple things we didn't get to do and a couple food items we didn't get to try that I wanted to. So we'll be back in a couple weeks to try those again too. But overall, I had a really great time today.
Good day, beautiful day, good food, great weather, and we'll be back.
Definitely. Bye!